Uh, at first, we have to remember the date. What is today's date? Today, 8th, 8th Shrawan 2081. So, July 22nd. No. Yeah. Today, July 23rd. Today, is July 23rd, right? Yes or no? Here we can see, oh, Jamrij. See, smart school, smart activity. Why are you looking at all these things, right? Okay, so second unit test is coming very soon, eh? We just say evaluation test, Nirajan. Your hair looks like girl's type, eh? Remember, boy. You are boy. Make boy like no boys. They used to just make some sort of pseudo sideways, but nowadays they make their hair like a girl's. तेरे नाम here. That is tragedy, wala no. If you are in tragedy, I can't say anything. But you must have love towards your study, towards your work. That is the thing. Okay, so it's here. Our chapter is hit, right? Yesterday we discussed numerical, no, diagrammatic questions, right? And our book is here. This is our book, right? This is our book. So I think this wave will be presented by some students. They are very much ready. So who are they? I don't know. Children, I told you at first I will discuss and make you clear about this numerical problem. Is that okay? Yes or no? I will give you those some tips so that you can do. Because if I start solving all, then that is not so good. You are more smarter than me because I remain in this professor only teaching, but you will have many more options, no? So you have got lots of choices. My choice is already gone. Yes or no? So you have to be more smarter and more talented than your teachers. The very smart style. Let me make a bit bigger one. Is it okay? Yes. Numerical problem. So children, you can take out your rough copy and simply mark these things, and later on you have to solve yourself. Why are you making like this, boy? Okay, read number A. Last time I had given you to solve these sums. I don't know whether all completed. G completed means why to revise that one? SIJK only. Okay, that's what I could remember. G left. Okay, I could remember. Actually, if you talk about me, I started learning ABCD from grade 4. Grade 4 only. In class 1, class 2, class 3, there were 3 subjects only. I could remember that maybe Nepali and Gaudit and I think Sero Fero or something like that. Amro Batavaran. Oh, I remember. Amro Batavaran. 3 books similar to Samajik one. So in class 4, when we have to start that ABCD, it was very difficult. But one teacher was very, very memorable. Still, I remember him. He used to teach in rhythmic way. If somebody sings and teaches, then we can remember, isn't it? And he came, and other teacher was saying A, B, C, and after G, they say, okay, tell A. Forgot, sir. But the teacher, he was very stylish one, and he made one song. You know also that song. What is the song? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. When he said like that, we were so happy. Oh, now one song has gone. Then we remember. That's why make the fun, make your study fun, right? Understood or not? If you are inside the class, just do one thing. Just look at your teacher, what teacher is doing. Then your concentration will be there. Understood or not? Yesterday also I gave example of this Sasankacharya. Whenever I go this side, he looks at me. Whenever I go here, looks at me. Means he is focusing, no? Some they are busy over what the teacher is saying. Strong man. So okay. Question number G. Please read the question. What is there?
Find the mass of the hot water and the specific capacity of water is 400
Joule per kg per degree centigrade. Here, sure. Hot water at 100 degrees centigrade. Whenever a hot comes, so temperature is T1. So what is this? T1. T1 is how much? 100 degrees centigrade. 300 gram of water at 0 degree centigrade means T2 is 0 degree centigrade. M2 is how much? 300. M2, why? Because the hot water is added to 300 gram of water means this is M2. But mass should be in kg. If it is given in 300 gram, you divide by 1000, then it comes 0.3 kg. Hey, understood or not? So here T1 is 100 degrees centigrade, M2 is how much? 0.3 kg, T2 is how much? Until the final temperature is 40 degree means what is that? Theta. Theta is how much? 40 degree. Then specific heat capacity of water means S1 is also this much, S2 also this, because both are same thing. No? Hot water, cold water means hot body, cold body same. So what items are given? And what to calculate? M1. So what is given? Given M1 equals to what? M1, T1, S1, just that is for hot body. M2, S2, T2, that is for cold body. You can write here hot body. Hot body, M1, S1, T1. Here, M2, S2, T2. M1 is how much? We don't know. M2 is 0.3 kg. S1, 4200 joule per kg per degree centigrade. And S2 also 4200 joule per kg per degree centigrade. And T1 is how much? 1 degree centigrade. T2 is how much? Degree centigrade. Theta equals to how much? 40 degrees centigrade. Okay, so here what is applied? Principle of calorimetry. So according to principle of calorimetry, according to principle of what is there? Calorimetry. Heat lost by a hot body, heat lost by a hot body is equal to heat gained by a cold body. Right? Heat loss by a hot body equals to M1 times S1 times T1 minus theta. Hey, M1 times S1 times T1 minus theta. Here, M2 times S2 times theta minus T2. Hey? Now put this formula and get the value. Is that okay?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So, what items are given? You must get, answer is given. Answer must come how much? 2.22 kg. Check 2 times. If one time is wrong, then second time it may be correct. Sometimes while typing in the calculator or pressing the keys also will do mistake. So is it okay?
Yes.
Can I rub it out? Can I rub it out? Okay. So next one. Number H. Read question number H. What do you think? In this question also, I think we can apply principle of calorimetry, right?
Yes.
Can you apply or not?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because here maybe hot body and cold body, 2 bodies are there, right? Temperature of 600 gram of certain metal is 100 degrees centigrade. First of all, find out. One temperature is 100 degrees centigrade, another temperature is 20. So hot body. So which one is hot body?
100 degree.
This one, 100 degree. Mass M1 is how much? 600 gram means 0.6 kg. Directly also you can write it. T1 is how much?
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees centigrade. S1,
S1 of what?
certain metal. Calculate the specific heat capacity of metal is given means we don't know the specific heat capacity. Okay. Cold body. What is cold body? Cold body is water. Okay. Cold body means what is the M2 mass of the cold body? 300 gram means 0.3 kg. T2, what is the temperature? 20 degrees centigrade, right? Oh, 15 degrees centigrade, yeah.
20 is theta.
Yeah, that means 15 degrees centigrade, okay.
Yes.
15 degrees centigrade.
And water
Then S2 is 4200 joule per kg per degree centigrade. Specific heat capacity of a substance is constant. No need to be confusion, right? Then theta equals to how much?
Theta 20.
20 degrees centigrade. So according to principle of calorimetry, which formula we have got? M1 multiply S1 times T1 minus theta equals to M2 times S2 times theta minus T2. I think for these both questions, same formula is applied, values are different, right? What should be the answer?
Answer is 31.
131.25 joule per kg per degree centigrade. Specific heat capacity is measured in or expressed in joule per kg per degree centigrade. Is it okay? Sushmita, any problem? So which one is hot body? Which one is cold body? Accordingly write down. Hot body mass M1, temperature T1, specific capacity S1. Cold body M2, mass M2, T2, S2, final temperature theta. First you have to identify that. Understood or not? So please, you just mark this one. Is it okay now?
Yes.
Now let's go to next one. What is next question? Number I.
Final temperature, we have to find the theta.
Which number?
I.
Number I. Number I also I think similar to this one, right? Okay, children. Tell me which one is M1, which one is S1, which one is T1. Read the question once again.
Find the final temperature of the mixture of
Read? Okay. Water. I think both are water means it's very easy for us. Especially with capacity is same, right? But M1, M2 must be clear, right? What is the final temperature means theta equals to what? We don't know, right? If 100 gram of water, here is 70 degrees centigrade, here is 10 degrees centigrade, means 70 is hotter body. Hot body means this is T1, this is M1, and this is S1.
S2 also.
S1 also, S2 also. Water is there, right?
Yes.
No, M1, S1, T1 we have written.
Yes.
Next one,
M2.
200 gram of cold water means that is M2, and this is T2, and this is S2. So to find theta.
Yes.
So write down hot body M1 equals to 100 gram. 100 gram means 0.1 kg. Divide by 1000. 0.1 kg. T1 is how much?
70 degrees.
Hot body is here. And S1 is how much? The value of specific capacity is constant. Okay, 4200 joule per kg degree centigrade. Cold body mass how much? 200 gram. 0.2 kg. Temperature T2 equals to 10 degree. Specific capacity 4200. And final temperature theta equals to what? According to principle of calorimetry. I think here also formula is same. What is that? M1 times S1 times T1 minus theta equals to M2 times S2 times T2. Is it okay?
Yes.
I think in G, H, I we have applied same formula. But mainly now we have to remember These type of questions are outdated because in our course it's not given their principle of calorimetry.
Yes.
Is it given? In our book, what is given? Heat equation only.
Yes.
But again, we'll check. We'll check. Where can we check? We have to check in government book, because government book is written on the basis of the syllabus prescribed. Our book also written, but in our book, extra thing they have given. No, this type of questions can be practiced more in 11th physics. Okay. Now question number J. What is question number J say?
The mass of a block is 1 kg at 80 liter and power 40 watt. Takes 5 minutes to raise the temperature of the block from 20 degree to 50 degree. Find the specific gallons of the block.
Okay. So read once again. Why are you staging, buddy? Read and find out what is given. We have to find calculate specific capacity. Okay, children, tell me what is given here. Given mass m equals to. If there are two bodies, then write down m1, m2. Otherwise, only m single. Right? M is how much? 1 kg. Then what is given here? Power. Power P is given. How much? 48 watt. And time T. T equals to 5 minutes. 300 seconds. Is it okay or not? We know 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Then what is given? To raise the temperature of the block from 20 to 50 means change in temperature dt is 50 minus 20 equals to how much? 30 degrees centigrade. Mass is given, dt is given. Now what should we calculate? S. Specific capacity we have to calculate, right? So we know one formula, that is Q equals to mcd or msdt. mcdt or msdt. We have got m, we have got dt, we have got s. Oh, we have to calculate s. We don't have q. Is there q? Q means heat, right? But one thing is given, power and time is given, no?
Yes.
What is the relation between heat, power and time? Do you know?
Q is equal to P.
One thing remember, what is the definition of power?
Power. Capacity.
Rate of doing work is called power. So formula of power is P equals to what then?
Q equals to P.
Sorry?
QP.
P equals to what? Power equals to
Time.
work done by time taken. But energy is the capacity to do work. So this work done can be changed as, what is that? Q. What is the formula? Q equals to Q by T. So Q equals to, what is the formula? T. This Q means energy. What is this? Energy. So this formula also you have to remember. To find Q, which formula we can apply? Q. Now, actually in two steps we can do. Number one, Q equals to PT. It comes in joule. It comes in joule. Again, next formula is, what is the next formula? Q equals to ms dt, right? Can you use the formula?
Yes, of course.
So this is the way. So we need to find out. I told you what is given. So here is given m, 1 kg. Power and time are given. Quantity of heat is not given. Heat means it is the energy. Energy equals to power times time. Value comes and you check it. Did you copy these things in your copy or not? Hey, write down. Now the last question is here. Please read question number K. Okay, children, read once again and which formula is applicable here. Okay. Which formula is applicable? You need to find out. So if you find out yourself, it's better. Otherwise, what will happen? Oh, sir has given this one. What is this 5 degrees centigrade? This is T2. What is this? 20 liter means this is M1. Not M1. M equals to 20 liter means 20 kg. 20 liter equals to 20 kg. Like this. Heated to 35 degrees centigrade. This is how much? T1. For taking a bath, calculate the okay. Q equals to, what is the formula? MSDT. Which formula is applicable here? MSDT. Okay. So for this, let me rub it out. Number key. Here. DT, change in temperature is how much? What are the two different temperatures here? 35 degrees centigrade minus 5 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees centigrade. Then next one, mass is how much? 20 liter or is equals to 20 kg. Then specific acid is how much? 4200 joule or kg degree centigrade minus, right? Then what to calculate Q? Q equals to MSDT. I think this is very easy sum, right? Is it the easiest sum we have done till now? Got the idea how to do this? Okay. Once again, let's check the course whether it is in a government book or not, right? Okay. So this Jodo is very lovely. Jodo, what a name? Jodo. But if you go in karate, there is dojo. Yes or no? Karate dojo, you see. Class 10, where is it? 10, I think it's here. Everything is smart, no? Open, get it immediately. Which chapter is this? Heat. Okay, this is heat. I think there is nothing. In 5 number. No, here are others also. Here are other questions also. Good, good. Okay, children. Now some question we'll do from here also. Okay. Is that okay? Well, read question number 5A. Okay. What is given here? What is 500 gram? M. Mass M equals to 500 gram, 0.5 kg. And difference in temperature. DT is how much? 85 degree minus 15. How much does it come? 70 degrees centigrade. Then specific capacity of water. And Q equals to MSDT. Calculate in your calculator how much does it come? Because you have to do. How much does it come? Q equals to MSDT.
Sir, 1,47,000.
1,47,000 joule.
In kilojoule, we have to divide by 1,000.
Okay. Now question number B. Read the question.
The specific capacity of iron is 60 and calculate the heat released by an iron sphere of a mass 5 kg while cooling it from 430 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius.
So, what is given here? Specific capacity of iron. This is S. Heat release means Q equals to what? Q equals to what?
M is equals 5.
M equals to how much? 5. Cooling it from 430 means DT is how much?
400.
Can you find out this one?
Yes.
Okay. Now these are your classwork, please. Those numerical problems and this one. Okay? Come on.